What's up, Mr. Soohoo? This is Miles.
This is John. This is Chase.
And this is our Unit 1 video.
AMC Theater presents Southpaw.
Price for junior tickets is $5.
For senior students, the price is $7.
The price for adult tickets is $10.
Yeah. The total revenue that Southpaw made in opening night was $2,318.
The fool at the register thought he was cool, so he began to throw the money up in the air.
Chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got.
The total number of tickets sold were 282. And there were 57 more adult tickets than senior tickets.
Let me just get that.
John is now trying to figure out how many of each type of ticket were sold and how much money each type of ticket made. John first establishes each variable, as you could see in the writing above. Next, John establishes equations so he could later on use for substitution and elimination. John now uses substitution to get an equation that will be closer to finding x, y, and z. John now uses elimination and substitution to find the y variable, which is also senior students. John next finds x, which is also the number of junior tickets sold. Finally, John finds the last variable, which is z, and also the number of adult tickets sold. The total revenue made from junior tickets is $235. The total revenue made from senior tickets is $623. And the total revenue made from adult tickets is $1,460. Here are the totals. When f of x is equal to 0, the parent function is constant, as you can see in the graph right here. When f of x is equal to x, the parent function is linear, as you can see in this graph. When f of x is equal to x squared, the parent function is quadratic, as you see in this graph.
When f of x equals absolute value of x, the parent function is absolute, as shown in the graph. When f of x equals square root of x, the parent function is square root, as shown in the graph. When f of x equals e to the power of x, the parent function is exponential, as shown in the graph.
It's cubed, as you can see in this graph. When f of x equals to 1 over x, the parent function is reciprocal, as you can see here.
Now we will show how to graph parent functions and the transformed function. These are the two lines that are going to be graphed. As you can see, the first line is an absolute value. So the graph is going to look like this. After starting from here, we took this line, the second one, and graphed it, and it came out here. That's the transformed function. In the transformed function, as you can see in the parentheses, it says x minus 4, and that's the absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 4, is 4. So what you will do is translate the original line over 4 spaces to the right. At the end of the transformed function, it says plus 3. So from the original line, after you move over 4 spaces, you go up 3 spaces. As a transformed function says 1/2 at the beginning, so from your point, the function is going to decrease in slope, and you have your transformed line. What currently just took place in that problem was translate right, it translated up, and a vertical shrink took place.
There are 4 scatter plots represented in this picture. First one is well-being versus life expectancy. Second one, well-being versus median income. Third one, well-being versus average temperature. And fourth one, well-being versus governance. The following lines of best fit, median income has a correlation coefficient closer to 1 to show a better statistical representation.
As life expectancy increases, well-being increases as well. As median income increases, well-being increases as well too. As average temperature increases, well-being decreases. As governance increases, well-being increases. Using the average line of best fit, the exact level of happiness of someone for having an income of $8,500 is approximately 8.3.
It is 8.3 because when you plug in 0.0002 times 18,500 plus 4.6787, it becomes 8.3.
What's up, blood? What's up, Mr. Soohoo? Hope you enjoyed our Unit 1 video.
Yeah.
I'm Chase.
Miles.
John.
Well, yeah. I think I learned best in groups when we're doing everything step by step.
I learned best when you let us like interact with people around us.
I think I learned best when we do like group works.
Yeah, but I think for next unit, I guess I could just come to class being really more focused, take everything a lot more serious. Probably make it a lot easier. And yeah.
Alright.
Must.